Hey guys, so here's the Quadra jet. Got it back together. So I'm having a little bit of trouble with this. Sorry, this linkage. Little extra parts. So everything is back together. Obviously, this is not going to go back on a Cutlass or a GTO or a Chevelle. So that's why it doesn't have a gasket under here. So yeah, just gonna be cool. Just gonna be a shelf ornament for right now. But one day it might go back on a 442, but not at the moment. And the accelerator pump actually is good. So yeah, we'll see you later, guys.